Alang pagding mo mela sa ilong Karbi puhupen Karbi long life pen alang ipan archo ponito.
Thank you. Kardong, thank you.
Kardong Karbi long life kailangan tundon. Pinili tong Karbi long life team pen nilong cameraman register pet nililong ng kanindon bangke ilong ka ching honai ni ka chitenai tum angjiro rohilang tipi alang ni akai la motie pen tu Karbi long life pen chi se thama se alang li tuma Elvis Bakery la so ular Arlo sidolo pubai customer kame thela la se alang ni hello Karbi soru pen ke bakery kan pucheng pudei tum pura ta time ne iltung difurong so pike iltung Roy Bakery si penangan paplang papilo banga khai Roy Bakery pudei nuti na chini lo ada si cake iltung birthday cake puno Christmas cake puno da pensi iltung endam pen just celebration sabe alang tu ba sweet si alang tu bakery pensi iltung endam da la se alang tu paplang papi asu na daksana tang set lo so piju pen no ini rohila tu son alang itu nak kematha kemisena job Charlie na ho Charlie dun pen alang Arlo pen ke no entrepreneur alang istame nang mana bang philo ke alang labang so business in pudet pen penangan resource yang masa boleh ngahoy dak people lo la pen ke alang li bang ke non head jong Arunachal Pradesh along international friendship lang so Karbi international friendship car rally labang so international friendship car rally lo since the lone Karbi women ever to be participate alang labang so car rally lo just like how that Arunachal Pradesh tourism of hanse promote lo pen alang international prote kaprek adim pensi Andhra Pradesh pendolo Nagaland pendolo Manipur pendolo Mizoram pendolo kaprek alutin da intellectual atau a group side mami major penceng lo doctor engineer tu penceng lo la sealang istame link up lo Nagaland tu pen sia team seselam sealang istame dulo alang ya bisa ho tu pen gym da dulo la se labang su journey puthak penalang ya kai la muthek pen chiki se tham padolo na itu churubet nanji la se nali rong nali hang thegadi sapi sabramen nali schooling
Kardong kawe panta nilimen ke rohilang tipi nili ke haroga paling tiarong pen nili pomen ke liet katharing ti nili paimen ke kachirong harpi so chek panalina nang than po hai
sibling
yes sibling we have 7 brothers and sisters
oh my gosh
four brothers and we have 3 sisters
okay
lale bapor mesa not in life history so much thamla po hai pini bank in short na so I was since class nursery I think I was put up in the mission school Don Bosco school then after the later I shifted to Shillong then like that and I was since then like I was so like so fond of doing in business. I don't know what is business also there, but then since then I started doing small by small and later on, so I came up with this. So one fine day, like me and my brother, from Morning Tea, the proprietor, so we both have discussed to come up with a bakery because he has done a course. Then I was a self-trained from him only. So then we started in the year 2010, December 23rd. Then so we started like that and then my brothers and me we worked together and at that time like employment was just 4 or 5 workers were with us. Then now we have 20 boys working under me and they are all locals, all Karbi youths. Some are school dropouts and some are college going, some are graduates, some are masters passed, so they are all working with us. So in that way like that and then like I travel a lot. Traveling is my hobby and I learn many things from my traveling only in fact. And even in this bakery line also like I travel when bakery expo, excuse me, bakery expos wherever in Delhi or Mumbai or Chennai, I travel, then I learn from there. I just try to attend the seminar, then I see things, I meet those well-known those bakers and all. I just try to interact myself. So in that way, like I came today till here.
Oh.
Yeah, and then now talking about my this international friendship car rally, which took place in Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, and President itself is from Itanagar. His name is Prem Sonam, and then like he only like he is the proprietor of so to say, proprietor or whatever. But I mean, like he is the one who
lead the team?
Who came up with this IFRA.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been long. It's been already 15 or 16 years, it seems. So this time during Karbi Youth Festival, like we have LB's food court. So out there, like from Nagaland and all, like they have come for the Nazareth shows. And during that period, I came to know Sir Imlong. He's Nagaland State Tax Commissioner.
Okay.
So I interacted with him. Then that time my cousin brother Jim was there. My own brother Rombaman was there. So we all interact in that way. Then about this topic came out. Since like I am really much into traveling. I love traveling and meeting people and seeing places and about the food. I really love all these things. So when he started telling about this car rally, then I said, I'll join, I'll do it. So in that way, only through Sir Ima Ilong, only I got to fulfill my dream about my car rally. Yeah.
Ako alang lige non helang thar lang so jeep chenam lo lang so thar jeep chenam ben alang lige chu stame 50 golden jubilee hotel alang stame penangan alira lo jeep jeep mal aw ignu de stame motor abang ali palong jeep pan alang lang so international friendship car rally lo participate do ata tourism puthak penangan alang ista chini do no stame non ili tu car bieng long stame atokan no ili tum lakoson mane sit road map selam si off-road dopo, village, countryside road dopo, la son si itum arong anche itum tourism apan pomul pomela pen itum nordis angkangan itum la so kareli sitam itum karbilong sa salam la so so what do you see, what do you learn from the past experience when you went for the kareli?
Ne kareli ke to no banke ne ke matha banke. I think once I reach home, I think I should talk with the tourism minister, one it is. So my intention is like that. I should talk and meet and as I reach home, like my intention was that to meet a tourism minister and discuss about how to promote in Karbi Anglong also, like how this Arunachal states, Arunachal governments are doing. So we have a big potential even in Karbi Anglong, what I have seen. Yeah, we have even in the West Karbi Anglong, there are many places to see around also. And we like while promoting tourism, like what I have seen from this Arunachal state is like that, during this car rally, like we visit a village. And we meet even the local Gamburas. So in that way, like if a president has taken
during the entire journey.
Yeah. Even these were all sponsored by the government, and like for a dinner, our staying, about our drinks, about the food, everything is sponsored by the government, the local MLAs, each district, like they provide us. So everything was free, of course, even the fuel. The food,
even the food also provided by the government of Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes.
Wow, that's great. Man.
Yes, everything is provided by the government. So like what I was thinking also, like in Karbi also, why can't we do to promote tourism? We have a big potential. What I have seen, what I have felt, even Karbi also. So like during festivals or before festivals or whatever it is, like we can organize this program also to promote the tourism. Go to the village and interact with the local peoples, and like we see about the crafts and the culture and the food, about all these things like we can exchange. Now what we have seen in Vijayanagar is a place that is in Chalong district. That was our last final destination, and to reach there is like we have to go through Namdafa Forest Reserve. And that was the longest PMGSY scheme road. And the road is very risky, and we are the first car rally to reach Vijayanagar. That was a Myanmar border. It's very beautiful, and out there, as soon as we reached, we were so, I mean, like, I can't express. Yeah, I had more like, I mean, like a Switzerland only. Yeah. Then what we do is this, like we go to the village, we interact with the people, we meet the local Gamburas, we give them a token of love, we took this clothes, warm clothes, or else like
for the kids and all.
And some sweets for the kids, and like even our president, we have donated some amount of money for the schools.
By collecting
Yes. So like that. And in Vijayanagar there are only 2 tribes. One is Lisu tribe and one is Gurkha.
Okay.
So till now I haven't gone through much of their histories, but then roughly what I have seen is that during this Lisu festival, it's a small community, and they also actually they are inhabitants from China side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So our culture and the food, we are all quite similar. That is most interesting part. Na? So I really want our Karbi Anglong tourism minister also, tourism department also, why don't they come up such programs for the youths also? Na? I think we can do in that way to promote
it. Karbi Anglong life kaya lang pachini po na tumalo. Car rally, car racing.
Yeah, that is
different look. Car rally bangke nang sightseeing ponpo dampo
pon lado. Car rally long bangke. Sightseeing basically sightseeing. Engage la rong so panchetong dampo. Engage we interact with the people. La hai lo la car rally long bangke. Car racing bangke la bangke pachimbai pula hai. Pula bangke jili ta undunde hai. La londa car rally long bangke. La son itu motif bangke. La anbang seni ta chili dun mom ne ta kido ni cheng lang pon. La anbang motif don bang chili dun lo hai. Idea long dun lo. Sila som tak si li tum dala Karbi Anglong mang je sem pet pen tourism ke promote je paneti ili claim nang our side he pe lang itu kelang thai ta do o nge itum a culture the rich peak ya itum a food hin pole lang nam itum the rich peak we can always exchange ni ni wata bangki tourism flow ke doji itum nang ta claim ponti usni ni matha dam hai ke no bang atum ke non election apran pen dam lo hala ni itum president mangke. It's a kind of campaigning asonda na hai so sonda tak ili da claim pon na da ka arleng ticket ding tumta asom se ni mathadam hai non la we give me to manja ponte pula hai because non youngsters they are the future na so lai bang tham pon pachini ponte and the party personally bang mathai dam hai
aho la petli tumke ladaki hills pula ladaki make mountain Arunachal make la penke ladaki na 7,000 8,000 10,000 la son se a height do la pen ladaki ni tum kan tu na sing hason ke 19 ne kon si do 100 ve ke ladaki na 8,000 9,000 feet ke kru bolote na ke de body da ke long do so tigan ladaki patumi dekta arun cloth cholo sidame ana kan tui a hai ke do to warlo pithe tha ke to kan tui nai nai Arunachal Pradesh sai si lo pute na ni nut swarlo Karbi pen nut swarlo ta ko son se na gro party ro bia ja ko che long se la so journey la so trip long adventure long participate un hai lo
ate mani le travel ni hang pick so life long it's a matter of risks ke nang vek lo even in my business also like I have to take risks risks la take te pol te ko polo risks nang poya long ta ke me ke no ke do vek polo ke la lo hai ni le bangta it's a land of mountains and rising sun Arunachal state ke la so to ni ke dam polo even tawang na le batai poda melo la punala view ka prek and even no ne phom bang ke Itanagar president flag host Itanagar to rowing wanglo inke excuse me rowing pen ako another flag of law lake anini podim anini pen dam thoro isi chigu resort podolo poda bangsi minister bani tumhana kheos anke hos bi hibu mihu uba minister menda if I know second alang lilo anke alogo ta SP DSP some bureaucrats manda do tumane 5 to 6 hours bagdo ko panil tumana ka ho atimane tum ke liye it was around June 9:30 along excuse me to watch ni o even see that side first time inga dake ala borok ke klolok lo ni tum ke liye pen ka no mo pe borok mak lo pe lo enjoy long lo inga minister mas dinner na ke host ke next ani pen chingu resort to anini wang thlo anini long ta minister I am sitting to have dinner na ke host ko da man ke ako interaction program do thlo with all the bureaucrats la som se alang ni tum ke tourism da ke promote inge da non homestay la hai tum da owner to manda hang at la ke homestay to pipi ma ki ken nai la ni tum ma hen pen chingki chathan lo na ko som se advice pi kana ko pisi ke kom lang ma ko pisi kawe lang ma ko pisi ke do le ma ko som ma pala hai sab chathan chimun te ka nga ja system ba inge dinner na ke host minister me thang asan ke host with all the bureaucrats bangla ni tum hani guest la mate ni le tum an chu tik tak even minister sam chu the minister na dun vet ke anini pengela lo anini pe ang thulo ni tum rowing mang tholo rowing pen se ako ditum han dinner arrange pelo aja katin si bang scott ta na pidu angela team lo mangke ifra team lo mangke event media chepon lo even nurse ta dolo nurse team dolo kesu kyo ne phang basame angela car service nokri to na koi ya la haita provide la system mangala so ingeda pan mang thulo rowing pen ditum han ke mio podim dolo la Chamang district mio ro ditum han ako daba indo minister amenda technique delo momo sang ko pinete alang lis na host ni tum ha dinner everything na host lo ajo 6:30 lo itum kele alang lis na host ni arrange pi Arlo ike puthara da dapen itum final destination ke time alang li ako flag na host ni lo inge la pen damlo nilis dum Vijayanagar palelo Vijayanagar penang ke chewang bangka ko lada 27 minister program dolale so number fa tourist lodge dog ministers akun zaman flag off na koidun thulo so ministers tum pensai de lasi ili to nonda ka chingwan la kati geding to manta la sonda ka kalun unji personally yen bane matha da me ya la really experience
ni puta ho alang ni hada kidun pena so experience bangala il tum ta dak pu ki pu palam ni hamren atwarda level hase road map selam pin milo hata mele do mele jong sin host dun do prote engala pu ge pu na ba de hawa ke hala pela pu pela tu ko la ma pe hapu pe ke na itu si road map monai na po a consensus ta mele tum si traditional culture tum exchange dun long po chepak lang long po di handicraft and cheng long la pe craft la happy ni se itu chepak lang long po traditional dance da me la pe ili tum jong si la bangso kareli ili tum selam pon do pulo te difu itu karbinos tami tourism bangke itu promote long ke kareli long bangke knowledge ang kang bang kapek adi mesi dang bangji pulo te itu madim dan so se chetang policy so tak se anis tami hada ke dun pen itu ma khai pan man peng na wan pilo la pen ala li lu swalo la na ke lu ki dun pen ala li amena si gari motor da ke chebe la pen ino lone traveler ala li ge ni ala Instagram sabe pela follow dundu ala li ge international away kan sa pinang ki ju na bang pila la pen also say lang lian so kan tu pali dun mom na il to ba kai van la person se man pe na pa wan pi mom na se lang li pen pini la bang so just to promote carving long tourism la pen lang li ko pipi ma experience la ton ben to pen che kan sin kilom por lang li pa churu parlo pen pini la bang so jai me la le tum in ton poninga
tale tan li por bom na
oi tan de carving long life pan cardon pina
cardo
sabe que
departmental store banking TP enterprise today lagan ni lima do lagan ni lima do proprietor kay laki asal sama si keceng lang ma dili mas do ila
customer do na telepon na
non si keceng lang ke departmental store banking tapos ipon no la banking
wala diskutan sama telepon mama kamu wala po telepon mama hai ta telepon wala customer yana Rong dia anang tak, so kalau tuan kita boleh.
Kasu bangke bakery section lo.
Bakery.
La proprietor bangke lo ngomongin si lo bakery section la proprietor bangke. Jadi kliang dong lo.
Oh. Manggari satu yang lain.
Oh, okay, fine.
Maksud Arunachal Pradesh la kita lain ada rising itu kalau kau jualan itu ada Hornbill dojo rising san lah elo alang itu mah ala so department apa dia lah so group loh sih dulu IFCRA IFRA berarti International Friendship Car Rally Association loh sih jadi tuh Karbi pipen ke alang dia the first loh.
And tourist Vijayanagar.
Oh.
Tourist Vijayanagar.
Tourist Vijayanagar alang lidu. Yeah. Abang so Arlo alang lihat Arlo alang.
Accident.
Si kami alang li inglong Arlo sa dia berarti di lah si labang so kita mesti labang so tong pun lo kena hot sitami arna matura dak pen ke alangli hem mesen mi et pen alangli mi kep lamang so jani dundet pen alangli mesen mi et pen si arna matura dak pen alangli hem ki lang lo so non nali kar ke kilo ke dinako
nang mangi pena de lum lagi kar ton net ko company lang paper ko silang ko la silang ko ko nai hello
sorlo
next apa ko gypsy chain ko because the next target dola northeastern states ke cover do pani target dola
la so tharlo la glass ta chinghan ke lo yo glass ta chingal la alang lisi ke tong men break ke sang masi tong der
lisi ke tong ta thang te lang ai ko pai te
la lo no ning ili tu nek long lok ke ili tu kadu ya ko pai lo alang lia akhir jumi ke long masi la se alang itu mi alang lia kulat lo la se kulat lo ala manager do bela pen itu kar bieri so phande se alang lidak gorenga hoi pi la se alang ni lam thi sia chu na hoi na kulat ta lang meu jo design ka do be ang ke do design ta lang meu manager do mele lam ke si nali mele so men tu bezo nali dak kulat nang bidun mane da la so kulat long nali ar pu mate un hoi ke chel palong do 2017 ko solo ani rohila ke claim ke dam ka do le mesen di solo discipline uma kara uma
mesen ang sanon kamika
solo dak ke dudun pen nang li ka do we tangka maha ka do we hemrit solo chelang long ma
la hem la hai kitty la hai pilo hem la hai bola
nang tu bangkon lo dak na dudun
tak mitum do
Karbi
mitum do
do di solo tu ma
sarlo bang ri
so pin so bangkon lo na tu ka do pa
bang koi
bangin koi
ando
oh
yang sila
ko pilo ini pan choroji
misen na da choro nang ko
lason alang litum ke dak kadu we pen bangin koi so se dak kan biri so jang tum han ani ru hila sila bang so kula lo lang liang hoi goreng hoi di pon lo ta hi ben me pilo itu mau so jang tum anda la person independent business claim pen sampai ali chipalong mon ai lo lang itu makula lo lang ni pilan jo dinta frangan dim pen ke non sa public chat lo si unique si amena se design lo to we lo si into ini han ke chorowek nang ji jita me pi ki jutsi na le karbi lo ra ra tum han just me solo tum ko pilo puji ini tum karbi solo tum non penangan duga dulu hai kecali hin ponon engineer to dulu sitame business ahin bang non anda ki vai song si thek no
prang do nang ko karbi tum solo tum si prang ko nang ko women entrepreneur si bang nang ko bang ni bin tong na itu ni dia harus tum si claim pang che ko nang ko okay tim so panda harus tum si ke mata sa ko parsi tek check ni hin ben mata ke claim on e part na bili harus tum si claim on ajara hin da hin do na sinon ni dia harus la harus relationship dengan JP mana kita matalan ke doling tame utilize ko nampo lalo ni ni ko de manke pero nang ne pere nang ne should be courageous
lalo
yeah
ahok lo imena long ri imena dim nang li guati long supile ke claim nam nang ngali imena dim imena long ri la sinali tum ta make prang nang po karbi solo tum same business ahi nang tum da ken kam se jor ko nang tang ke na li pan sa jor ka
okay thank you